More and more, I hear from people who test NetCrunch how important network context is to them. And we understand network context as some metadata that is part of your network, but that is not easily collected by the software. So for example, software can collect how your switches are connected, what is connected to your infrastructure, but we require users' knowledge, for example, to input the data that, for example, this part of the network is located in a different city. And when you add this context, you can put a background to understand that some geographical background, or maybe another part of the network is between two buildings, and you need to add this data. This part of the network is building A and another one building B, and this is important for troubleshooting. This is important for planning some resources, for planning schedules. And NetCrunch helps you enrich your network information that is automatically detected with the data, the information that only you as a user have, which is the location, geographical context, how your team structure should be adjusted to the architecture of your network or to the global location of your network. If you have single location, it's a different team structure, different schedule of your team. If you are supporting distributed sites of your company, then you also want to have this information in your NetCrunch, because this is important for planning, for the alert escalation, how you manage responsibilities, who is responsible for troubleshooting different areas of your network. And they say that ability to visually represent both the network data that is collected by the software and the data that is put manually by the IT team members creates a complete picture that not only helps you better understand how your network is performing, but also to better understand the long-term pattern of your network performance. How is it using the resources? Are there any discrepancies between the sections, between the locations? How can I better optimize what I have, where I really critically need to think about some improvements, about some changes? And this is what only human augmented software can give you. Because from these two sources of data, there is a valuable information for your daily task and for your long-term planning of the development of your network.